Hey everyone, my name is Kate and I'm Product Development Manager here at Plus Plus, and today I'm going to be building 3 different Hometown Huddle players. So inside the set for the Hometown Huddle tube, there will be instructions for 3 different types of players. So today we'll be building a football player, a basketball player, and a soccer player. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to build our basketball player. So the colors we're going to use to build the basketball player are basic blue, basic white, basic black, and brown. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start on his legs first. So for his legs, we're gonna take 4 pieces of basic brown and 2 pieces of basic white. So we're gonna take 2 brown pieces and then add basic white piece right there at the top. So now that we have his 2 legs, we're gonna go ahead and attach the 2. And we're gonna do that with another white piece. So we're going to slide the white piece into one of the legs like this, and then we're going to slide the other leg just like that. So now that we're done with his legs, we're going to go ahead and get started on his jersey. So for the bottom part of his jersey, we're going to use 3 pieces of basic blue. And we're going to go ahead and attach 2 first, just like this. So once we have this little part made, we're going to go ahead and slide it into the legs here. We're going to slide it in just like that. And then we're going to go ahead and make the top part of his jersey. And we're going to take a blue and a white piece and connect them just like this. And once we have these connected, we're going to add another white piece to the other side and then another blue piece right here. So now we have the top part of his jersey, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to add that to the bottom part of his jersey. So we're going to slide it in just like that. So just get started on his head, we're going to take 1 basic brown piece and we're going to slide it into the top of the jersey just like that. A black piece, and we're going to add that to the back of his head to start on some hair. So once we attach that first hair piece, we are actually going to go ahead and add his face and his eyes now. To do that, we are going to take 1 basic blue piece and 1 basic brown piece, and we are going to slide them together. Once we have this piece, we're going to attach it to his head right here. So there we go. There he is. He has some of his hair attached, and now we're going to add the rest of his hair, and we're going to add a beard for him as well. One side of his head, flip him over, and do the same thing on the other side. And once we have those 2 pieces of hair added, we're going to go ahead and add the last piece here up at the top. So there he is with all of his hair, and then we're going to go ahead and add a beard down here as well, just like that. So now our last step here is going to be adding his arms. So for his arms, we need 6 pieces of basic brown. Take 3 basic brown pieces and just put them in a line just like this. So once we have that little piece made, we're going to go ahead and do the same thing again. So now that we have 2 arms, we are going to attach them right up here at his shoulders. So first we're going to attach one here and then on the other side. So we're going to bend this arm just like that so his arms can hang down like that. So now we have our basketball player. And now that we're done with our basketball player, we're going to move on to building a basketball for him. We're going to start off using 3 orange pieces, and we are going to put them together just like this. So we're going to slide 2 together like that and add a piece on the other side as well. And once we have this little chunk done, we're going to set it down and actually do the same thing again. So we're going to get 3 basic orange pieces again. So now that we have our 2 little chunks here, we're going to go ahead and kind of nest one inside of the other. So we're going to slide this in here so it kind of sits in there. A basic black piece right in the middle here. And then to finish it off, we're going to go ahead and add 1 piece at the top. So there we have his basketball. And to attach the 2, I usually like to put his hand up like he's kind of shooting. And we can slide it into his hand just like that. So there we have our basketball player and a basketball.